Cold start, 3 weeks. A6 Chevy Silverado. Three weeks. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 15, 36, 40. 305 4-barrel 700 R4, both of which came out of 2 separate vehicles at the scrapyard. Oh, jeez. Well, nothing's perfect, right? Totally out of gas. You've got to be kidding me. Lovely GM Squealomatic alternator. My other E6 truck does the same thing. The secret is to buy something better. Don't rev the crap out of it when you crank it. Just let the alternator just kind of start charging on its own. I didn't think I was that low of gas though. And when that tach warms up, the needle will fall down to normal. That's been nothing but grief trying to find a tach module to fit that one. As a matter of fact, the gauge was broken. The gauge itself was bad, and the actual gauge is out of oh gosh, what year is it? It came out of a much older tach. I mean, maybe like a 73 or 74 model tach. The winding was bad or burned in half somewhere in the gauge itself, and the module was bad. But if anybody fools with these trucks, you know how impossible these things are to find. And I'm sorry, I can't give up and go just blow $300 on a repop. Kind of rather have the real thing. Okay, well, it cranked. The end.